Are you cooking?
Yes, cooking dinner.
What are you cooking?
Making tomato soup.
Is that soup?
Yes, tomato soup.
Does it smell good?
Yes, smells amazing.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
Is this hard?
No, quite easy.
What vegetables are these?
Onions and carrots.
Do you like onions?
Yes, very much.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, love carrots.
Is broccoli healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you eat broccoli?
Yes, quite often.
Is the pot hot?
Yes, very hot.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help.
Can I stir?
Yes, go ahead.
Is this fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you cook daily?
Yes, almost daily.
What is your specialty?
Soup is best.
Is soup your favorite?
Yes, my favorite.
Do you use oil?
Yes, olive oil.
Is olive oil healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you add salt?
Yes, just little.
Is salt important?
Yes, for taste.
Do you like spicy?
Not too much.
Is this spicy?
No, quite mild.
Do you follow recipes?
Sometimes, not always.
Is cooking creative?
Yes, very creative.
Do you enjoy this?
Yes, I do.
Is the window open?
No, just closed.
Do you like plants?
Yes, very much.
Are those your plants?
Yes, they are.
Do you water them?
Yes, every day.
Is sunlight important?
Yes, very important.
Do you have microwave?
Yes, right there.
Do you prefer stove?
Yes, prefer stove.
Why prefer stove?
Tastes much better.
Is that true?
Yes, I think so.
Do you agree?
Yes, completely agree.
What's in the pot?
Tomatoes and beans.
Do you like beans?
Yes, quite tasty.
Are tomatoes fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Did you buy them?
Yes, this morning.
Where did you buy?
Local small market.
Is the market close?
Yes, quite close.
Do you shop often?
Yes, twice weekly.
Is fresh food better?
Yes, much better.
Do you grow vegetables?
No, not yet.
Would you like to?
Yes, someday maybe.
Is gardening fun?
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you have garden?
No, just plants.
Is cooking relaxing too?
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you feel calm?
Yes, quite calm.
Is music playing?
No, just quiet.
Do you like music?
Yes, sometimes helps.
Which music you like?
Calm and soft.
Is that relaxing?
Yes, very relaxing.
How long cooking?
About 1 hour.
Is 1 hour long?
No, quite normal.
Do you get hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Can you taste it?
Yes, tastes great.
Does it need salt?
Maybe just little.
Will you add more?
Yes, just little.
Is it ready now?
Almost few minutes.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Do you like eating?
Yes, love eating.
What time is dinner?
Dinner at 7.
Will others join us?
Yes, family joining.
Is family coming home?
Yes, coming soon.
Do you like dinners?
Yes, love them.
Why love them?
Everyone together happy.
Is togetherness important?
Yes, very important.
Do you set table?
Yes, I will.
Need help setting?
Yes, please help.
Where are plates?
In that cabinet.
Are these plates clean?
Yes, very clean.
Do you like apron?
Yes, it's nice.
Where you get it?
Gift from Mom.
Does mom cook too?
Yes, very well.
Did she teach you?
Yes, taught everything.
Are you thankful?
Yes, very thankful.
Is cooking a skill?
Yes, useful skill.
Will you teach others?
Yes, maybe someday.
Who would you teach?
Maybe my kids.
Do you want kids?
Yes, someday hopefully.
Is family important?
Yes, most important.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, quite proud.
Is this best dish?
Yes, my favorite.
Can I try?
Yes, please try.
How does it taste?
Absolutely delicious, thanks.
Really that good?
Yes, really good.
Will you share recipe?
Yes, of course.
Is it easy?
Yes, quite easy.
What are the ingredients?
Tomatoes, onions, beans.
Just those 3?
Yes, plus spices.
Which spices exactly?
Salt and pepper.
Simple, right?
Yes, very simple.
Will you cook again?
Yes, definitely again.
Thanks for showing.
Anytime, my friend.
Let's eat now.
Yes, let's eat.